Okay, so from our last video, I think I didn't actually finish the video. So, but right now I finished the mix of the song, and I said we're going to add vocals to the beat, and then I'm going to show you how to mix your vocal to the beat. But there are so many things you can also do to a beat to make it more interesting. So I'm not just going to waste time on this beat because we can actually spend like more than an hour mixing the beat. Some people mix beat 3 days, they spend time mixing the beat and getting it to sound the way they want it. But this is just the basic of mixing. So if you watch the last video, you can come back and watch this one, and then I'm going to show you just what I did before the video ended. So I didn't actually play the beat. There are quite a couple of things I did. Actually increase the bass, so let's just listen to it all through. So I actually changed the row, so that's okay. I increase the key so that it will come out something is wrong with the file. You need to load it. Let's increase the key and the clap. I'm going to increase this one a little bit. So you can go. I remove this time. This one a little bit. So at the end, you don't need to worry more about balancing it, because at the end you are going to use multi-band compressor, sorry, rather. So glue the beats together. I feel the 808 as we need to EQ the 808 before the stereo shaper. So I need this place out of the stereo shaper. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, Control Z. Yes, the stereo shaper. Let's bring it down. I'm gonna remove the low end, order step 8, and then type I pass. Yes. Let's go to where the gate passes. I think here. Sounding more okay now than stopping everywhere. that's just all about the beat. Right now I'm just going to leave it like this, and then just go find some recording. If you want to do, record the vocal in the beat like this, you can actually do so and then continue your mixing process. If you want to export it out and then use the track then and the vocal blend it together, you can also do that. But I would advise you, anytime you export it, you must use a multi-band compressor to glue everything together. That's what makes the beat the beat. But if you like, you can also not use it, but I like using multi-band compressor to glue things together. And also like it even if the beat is separate or the vocal is actually separate. So this is the mix we did. So you can see, if I also want to work, I'll still go back to the clap, and then I'll start adjusting things again, so that to make it like to make it real, instead of just playing straight like something you programmed. I'll still go to the kick, make some high, make some low in the piano roll, just tweak things around. Mixing process takes long. If you're okay with what you've done, fine. If you're not, you need to keep on mixing the beat till you are okay. There's no end process. Some people take a week, more than a week, to mix a song until they get what they want. So this is just a short mixing process that I just did from start to end. And if I listen to this track maybe another day, I might find something I want to add to it. But this is just the basic of mixing, adding EQ, adding compression, know when to add EQ, know when not to add EQ, know when to leave it, know when things are fighting, know the instrument to add to give it more energy, know when to make things stereo, make things mono, but try and mix in stereo and try and mix in mono. If it sounds good in mono, then it sounds good in stereo. So this one I'm mixing on headphones, so I'm not actually mixing in the studio. You can also find out and use some other speakers to mix in mono, test it in your car the way it sounds. So that's just mixing process. It takes long, it must sound good in wherever you put it. So make it mono, sounds okay, make it stereo. Extreme stereo, so it sounds good. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, notification button. If you want to know how I made the beat, check my channel. You'll see when we started making the beat from scratch. If you want to know how I mixed the beats to this extent, check my channel. Also, the video is also there in the description below. And this is the final, not the final mix, but just to show you something about mixing. So that is that. I'm going to go record vocal, and in our next video I'm going to put the vocal, and then we're going to mix and balance the vocal, how to mix and EQ your vocal. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Take care, guys.